2 concept airplanes, 2 wild ideas, 2 flying wings, which is better? Before we compare the two as parts of a whole new series under which I term Project Z. If you're new here, a warm welcome and do subscribe for more great videos on the way. Let's start right off with performance. Airbus Maveric is comparable in capacity and range to the A320neo, a short-haul aircraft with around 150 to 180 seats flying 3,000 nautical miles. Flying V on the other hand is more ambitious. Similar to 787-9, A350-900, 314 passengers and flying around 6,000 nautical miles. Engines? Well, both are expected to be test beds for new forms of propulsion, potentially electric or hybrid power plants. As of now, no engine selection has been made. With today's engine technology, the Maverick could see Pratt & Whitney's turbofan, while Flying V could use the next generation Rolls-Royce UltraFan. Efficiency? The blended wing body design is the main innovation, giving it a 20% fuel burn advantage. Taking that into account, the Maverick is expected to burn 2.12 kg per kilometers of fuel per trip compared to 2.66 kg per kilometer for the A320neo, and per seat, it is expected to burn only 1.67 liters per passenger for every 100 kilometers flown, making it the most efficient aircraft ever. Flying V should burn 4.8 kg per kilometer per trip compared to 6.03 kg per kilometer of the A350-900 and a remarkable 1.9 liters per 100 kilometers per passenger flown compared to 2.39 liters per 100 kilometers for today's A350-900, giving it operating cost similar to single-aisles today but with wide-body range and payload. These numbers though are based on today's engine technology, though future new technologies could easily be added, further reducing fuel burn. These aircraft also revolutionize the flying experience. With their cabins wider than they are long, it gives a roomy feel, faster turnaround times and more space. The one issue would be evacuation times. Maverick concepts though show augmented reality used throughout, while Flying V is more down to earth. It's no less amazing. I'll let the aircraft do the talking. With air traffic doubling every 10 years in fast-growing parts of the world, it is important for the industry to develop revolutionary new technologies so that the industry can grow in a sustainable manner. Don't, however, expect cheaper fares, as the cost of developing such an aircraft would be high, resulting in high list prices that airlines trickle down to passengers. Still, with the technology always advancing, prices would most definitely come down in the future. All in all, these two concepts give us a glimpse of how we may fly from A to B in the future. Not only are they cheaper, cleaner, quieter, more efficient, but they also transform how we think of flying. They mark a milestone in the evolution of aircraft.